request ko lang is, if you share, can you please share one thing that you have learned with your seatmate, okay? Share one thing lang that you have learned in your seatmate for the first session before we continue, please. Okay, makipag-usap ulit tayo sa seatmate natin.
Ano natutunan niyo? Masarap po ba yan?
Ang sarap, sobra. Do not put your money in one basket. Wala po. Tagasan po sila.
Sabihin ko sana sa ibang planeta.
Nice. Cavite po. Ang layo ah.
Saan kayo?
Diyan lang, Taguig lang.
Tagig.
Family kayo, family?
Kababayan ko yung amin.
Wow.
Tagig ka.
Sir,
Sama
ano
na
po
ro.
pangalan?
Sa ano? Malapit sa heritage.
Okay, sir. Ano po yung isang magandang idea ang napulot niyo sa first session?
Lower kami.
Yung kung put your egg in one basket.
Ano mangyari if you put your egg in one basket?
Dapat marami pong resources, marami pong paglalagyan ng ating pera.
Okay, very good. Okay, sir, what's your name?
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey, ano yung natutunan mo? Isang na natutunan mo?
Yung kailangan pag-employed ka, umapin ka ng another basket. Then another basket for the self-employed and business and investment.
Question. When should you start? When? When do you think should you start? Yes or no? Kailan? Oh, sir, tinatakpan mo ako sa video kung sumunod na kami tayo. Oo, yan. Okay na. Ano pangalan mo?
Dante po.
May natutunan ka pa sa first session. So, papasweldoan kita, huwag kang magalala. Sige. Okay, nag-gets nyo ba? When should you start? When? When? You start now. You don't wait until such time you're going to retire before you start. Because it's a trial and error thing. It's a hit and what? Miss. Okay, but I'm so excited. Again, marami sa atin po dito sumusubaybay. Sino pala sa inyo nakasubscribe naman sa Facebook ko? Facebook. Okay ba yung Facebook ko araw-araw? Yes! Ito wala akong ghostwriter I write my,
Nag-business po kayo?
I have
Nag-business kayo?
What they do is, they edit my,
Ito sir.
kailangan ng editor.
Loading business, sir.
Kailangan ng editor.
Loading business.
At
Nag-load.
the same time, they give me what ideas, and after that, I rewrite everything. So, if you follow my Facebook, that's one way to connect with me.
Realty.
And another way is every Saturday,
Tsaka,
6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Think positive. But I'm so excited. I have another good news.
Sa parenta-renta kayo?
Good news for me to connect also with
Kami
people.
nag-service.
Hindi ko to final, pero
Kailan ba birthday mo?
malapit na. Ninunulo na. Medyo mainit na. Okay,
Ayun,
75% na. Actually, 100%
Anniversary no.
done na.
May ano?
Production na lang hinihintay.
May family ka
Ano
na rin.
po to?
Bigyan niyo
Okay,
akong calling card.
flash yung next slide.
Jerome, may calling card ka ba ba?
Oh, sandali, balik. Relax lang. Nakaprint ko yung interview. Okay, starting this quarter, last quarter, I'm going to have a show called Money Wise. Everyone say Money Wise. Money Wise, kailan po ito? Malapit na. Saan? Sa CNN Philippines. Panunoodin nyo? Yes or no? Susuportahan nyo? Yes or no? At ang good news, hindi ako nag-iisa doon. May kasama pa rin tayong entrepreneur at napakagaling na host, Vatican, multi-awarded, walang iba, kundi si Miss Christine Bersola. Palakpakan mo na si Christine. Come on! Nasaan ko si Ma'am Pintin, Christine? Is she in the house? Mukhang umalis na ba? Okay. While waiting for her, si Christine. Nag-make-up na. Sabi mo, hindi na kailangan make-up. Gusto niyo ba pakinggan si Christine? Yes or no? Okay. Nakasap na. Gusto niyo ba pakinggan si Christine? Okay. Palakpakan natin si Miss Christine Bersola. Come on. Yes. Dapat maniguro ka, di ba?
We're here to bring you the good news po. Kwento ko muna kung paano tayo nagkakilala. Diba? Kami ko ni Chinky, nagkakilala kami kasi nung sa Good Morning Club,
Yes.
sa TV5. Meron ako sa tawag Chinky na resource person. Kasi siya yung expert.